nepatīk.
There you go, buddy. It's always a good feeling to give back, and to see these guys smiling, it's a good
Nu,
feeling.
tāds, ka tu biji tāds, tu varēji dabūt.
A 7'3" version of Santa Claus, Kristaps Porzingis,
Jā, man
took
neteica,
some
es
kids from the Knicks
nezināju.
Garden of Dreams Foundation to see their
Nu, man kaut kad vienreiz pateikt, tev,
and then handed out gifts
vai
afterwards.
tev ir kaut kāda
Knicks fans
saglabāta
are
bildes,
very
ka tu
happy with the gift that they received
Kaut kāda
from the team
nežņikā.
Kristaps overall pick in this draft.
Many considered him a project, but the 20-year-old from Latvia has made an immediate impact in New York. It's amazing to see a guy that size with that kind of skill set, which is why he's compared to his idol, Grant Hill.
That's not what that says.
Oh yeah, his idol, Dirk Nowitzki. Excuse me. Anyway, like all rookies, he hit a bit of a wall recently, but one thing that hasn't changed is the Porzingis mania that's hitting the big guy.
The New York Knicks select Kristaps.
Es nemāku. Dūda, es nemāku. Šitas ir mans mīnus, jā. Man patīk, bet es nemāku savu.
I don't think they're going to boo whoever. Exactly. It was the film, go win some games.
Es neklāju, man patīk labāk dāvināt droši vien, nevis saņemt, tāpēc, ka nemāku novērtēt droši vien.
He does not shy away.
Porzingis, sorry about that on draft night, but we're behind you 100% now. You go, guys.
Sorry for booing you, KP6.
Tā ir bijis.
You're a New Yorker, we got your back.
Bet tā ir vienmēr bijis man ar tādām lietām. Nu, nezinu, nemāku, nu, piedod. Tiešām. Nu, es tu pirmā, droši vien pēdējā, nav arī tavu dāvināt tādu. Nu, es nemāku izrādīt sajūtu.
Whenever I see him do something nasty, I'm just like, Kristaps Porzingis! The putback dunk against No Hockey Man, that was ridiculous. I haven't seen the Garden like that in a while.
Slamming and jamming on Kristaps to Master Blaster.
I guess you could qualify it as an official man crush. It's official. It is an official man crush. I love him. I'm obsessed.
I'm a skinny guy from Europe. A lot of guys are going to try to test me, so I got to be ready.
Marquez is blocked by Porzingis. Porzingis with his 7th block of the night.
Porzingis is my man.
Es nekritizēju, ko es tev kritizēju? Bet tāds, kā es neteicu, ka nav tāds.